Alright guys, what is up? Dusty Roads here with Chasing the Wild. I am just getting to the stream. It is Friday, May 31st, and just got done working and getting to the stream here. Hopefully gonna find a couple nice ones up through this stretch here. Actually a really nice hole right here, of which I think I need to probably gonna have to bug spray down here pretty shortly. I got in a shaded grassy area here where skeeters love to make you dinner. So spot right over here, there was just a deer I kicked out of right here and it ran across right here, so I don't know how good or bad this is going to be. There's actually probably babies in here. Honestly, if I looked, I'd probably find those, but if I remember correctly, there was a nice little, yeah, it's still here. Like I say, if that deer crossed right here, chances very slim that I'm going to get anything out of here, but I'm going to try. Something whacked it, but I think it felt small. Oh wow. Well, I'll tell you one thing, honestly. Down there looks not bad, but I'm going to work up the stream, so I'm not going to mess with that right now. Like I say, if a deer went through here, this is wasting my time. Guys, I'm coming up on a hole right here that's absolutely epic looking. Let's see if I can get some absolutely epic results, because I haven't caught a fish yet. Like I would have never called that up through this stretch of stream, but that's where I'm at right now at the moment. So let's step it up here a little bit and see what we can do. Gotta get that dang sun out of my eyeball there. That's horrible. Oh man, whew. Got really lucky right there. Got out of a snag. Okay, I see a tree that goes the whole way down through. That's probably what I was caught on. Possibly. Badly possibly. Oh my God, thank you. Got pretty lucky there. I just got out of 2 snags. I'm gonna go for the upper part of this hole, I guess, now, because I feel like the bottom part's really snaggy. This top part very well might be also here, but I'm gonna try to hopefully avoid the snags and whoa. Oh, finally a chub. Jesus. Alright, I guess I have caught 2 chubs. They don't really count, but keep going, buddy. Come on. There you go. Oh, that's Man, guys, are you kidding me? Par for the freaking course right there. That was a 20, and he's gone. Never to be seen again. Not today. Good Lord. I really hate it when this happens. My goodness, man. Okay, that's big there. Maybe I will get lucky here. Holy crap, man, that's big. Yeah, that's real big there. All right. Oh man, guys, that's a damn big trout there. All right, that works. That works. All right, I got to get this girl unhooked quick because I'm pretty sure she inhaled that. I'm pretty sure. So, come on, let me check her out, girl. Here. Yeah, this is the 24-inch fish here, easy. Yep. Yep, gotta get that out quick. Oh boy. All right, got it. Got the hook out. Get her over in the cold water here. And snag a couple picks. This big old girl. So cool. Alright, stay tuned for a pick here. And a little bit better video. Alright guys, I'm not gonna take pictures of this girl. She's big, she's 20, like 23. She's bleeding, so that's how we do that. Yeah, I caught her right at the back of the tongue. I was able to pop the hook. That's the best reason right there to have barbless. But when you do hook them in that spot, they do bleed, unfortunately. It's like right at the base of the gill and the tongue. When you pull it out, they bleed. And it's just, that's a sad that I, you know, can't photograph that fish. It was beautiful, real heavy, female, 23, and it's all good though. That made up for not catching anything the whole way up through there. So, all right, ladies and gents, let's can't imagine that anything else like that's gonna here irony right now. All right, now these fish are staging in the flow apparently, because the head of this hole is where that other one was also. It was like right there, but it looked to be about 20. That one was up in here and it was significantly bigger. But maybe there's another one up here. I doubt it, but after the ruckus I just made there, assuming I'm probably not going to get a crack, but I don't know, I've seen weird things happen. Ah, boom! Awesome. I love it. Alright. Alright guys, I want to show you basically how I deburr, or debarb rather, the hooks that I have, the Mepps lures. I take my pliers, put them right on the hook like that, and just twist it about 3 times back and forth. Takes the barb right off. So the hooks will pop right out of their gill, right out of their throat very easily. Just make sure you keep good tension on your lure the whole time while you're fighting them, and they pop right out. Lovely little spill log here. Try working out into here first. The next one right in tight to it here. Oh, decent one. Hopefully I can keep him on there and get him in the net here for one. One under the belt, baby. Hey. Oh, did I get freaking leaking my waders already? Alright, beautiful 13 here, guys. He's not really beautiful, but he's a wild fish, and he's the first one of the day, so can only go up from there. Not saying 100% that there's not another one in here either. Possibly even a bigger one. But with 2 casts, I'd say no. Alright guys, just coming to a lower part in this same stream. I may be possibly fishing over somebody's tracks. It looked like a fresh trail of somebody walking in here, but time will tell if I hook a fish or see a fresh boot print. That'll let me know what I need to know. I didn't see anything fish wise on that cast. Yeah, a little bit of an undercut here, which, oh, good one there. Oh man, dude, trying to keep the pressure on him. I didn't want him coming freaking clear out of the water like that. That's what those undercut banks do right there, guys. This thing is absolutely a gem. Big male. About 17, 18. Just dark, beautiful. Watch him. Back over to her spot. Love it. Alright, so if the guy did happen to fish, which I don't think he did, I think these are just deer tracks in here right now. That's what I've been looking for right there. That's what I was hoping to get up above the stream, in the stream, and did not have happen one time. So hopefully that continues up through here and as a trend. That was a beaut. Take him out hot. I can't believe there's not another one under right in here, to be honest. Plus that's just really not that undercut. Alright. Why couldn't that big one down below done that? Hey, stop it, dude. You get my dang hook out of here before you hook me. There we go. Alright. Gorgeous one. I'd say pushing, I mean, maybe 20, man. Honestly, surely in the 19 range. Let me get this on my net here and we'll see. Oh yeah, he's 19 all day long. He's as long as my basket. Oh, he went downstream. Alright, well, I'm not going to complain, guys. Come right out from under this undercut right over here. Yeah, there's like an overhang. Well, there's an undercut up in there. He shot right out of that. Alright guys, I am just getting down to a spot where two streams intersect here. And appears to be a pretty dang good hole that forms here. I'm going to kind of try to stay out of the water here to not make sediment go downstream, but hopefully get a good cast down here and get something big laying in this hole here. Be nice. Oh, oh, that was a decent fish. I mean, he's not huge, but he was looked to be tall, 14 inches. There, he hit it. There, oh, dang it. Well, unfortunately, I may have to, I'm going to work up the stream to the right over here. Crap. Oh, there's one. Not very big at all, but I'd say he's wild. Oh, it's a brookie. Guys, brookie. Native brookie here. Hey, buddy.
Oh, you caught that one already?
Yeah, I caught a little guy here. Little native brook trout. You fish?
Nah.
You should.
Are you a YouTuber? Oh, that's cool.
Yup. Yeah, I have a YouTube channel. But yeah, there was a little bit nicer one that was in that spot right there. It come after and hit, but
Yeah.
I didn't catch it. So yeah, there's some trout up in both of these streams. So, oh, got my hook on me. Yeah, look it up, Chasing the Wild with Dusty Rhodes. That's my YouTube channel. So, I get a few decent ones.
There's a beaver up through here. And this is his path right through here.
Oh.
Yeah, you can see those.
Comes and goes up there and chews up trees,
Yeah.
huh? Yeah, those dang things. All right, bud. Well, I'm gonna head up the creek here and see if I can catch another one.
Yeah.
See ya. All right. Maybe get a new subscriber there. Caught a little. Alright guys, right up here along this far edge, it's deeper. I'm gonna start putting some casts up through there and hopefully, man, that scared the crap out of me. I don't know what the hell that was, but something just flew out of this tree. It was big. chicken, sounds like. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh man, you got him. Oh yeah. Well, that'll work. Not the biggest trout in the creek, but definitely a beautiful wild. About 13, 14 inches. Really good colors. I never really know where my camera's pointing when I do that, because I know it's kind of pointing down from my bill, but I probably tilt it into the wrong spot, but oh well. Ow. Alright, I was hoping something maybe just a touch bigger was in there, but we're not done quite yet. Oh! Man, I just kind of jerked it right away from one that was following. I don't know how big it was, but it was bigger. Oh man, there it is. Crap. I spooked that fish. That sucks. I'm gonna try to put one way up there and hopefully whatever fish is up there isn't spooked yet. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. That's definitely a 20. Definitely a 20 right there, guys. Man, that thing come out of absolutely nowhere too. Crazy. Gotcha, baby. Man, is that thing gorgeous. Crap. Alright guys, I'm gonna set up here and grab a pic of this dude. Nice male. Gorgeous male. Looks to be, I don't know, 21 or 2. Ooh. There's a really, really strange scenario going on here with my, there we go. Got the hook and the line and everything. I'll tell you what I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna snap my spinner off real quick and pull my line out, because he's gonna go nuts here for a second, probably. All right, I'm gonna do that and then get the line pulled out because it was wrapped around him pretty significantly. Good little tactic to do if it's all wrapped up. Just snap your lure off and pull all your line out. So, all right guys, I'm gonna snag a shot or two of this guy and get him back in there. Man, this water's cold in this stream. Really cold this time of year. All right, stay tuned. Get him get ready to put back in here. Oh. I got to get the hang of that here, man. I go to reach for my dang GoPro, the one that's up there, not this one, but go to reach for it to hold the fish with one hand, release with the other, and the fish usually takes off, and I usually get half-ass footage. So probably just gonna have to put the fish back in my net like I used to do. All right, guys, I'm gonna work on up through here and see if I can't find another one like that. So stay tuned.